Hello and good morning to you all from me, Maxi.
From me, Maro.
And the parents. Good morning. They're smiling, you can't see it, we all got masks on. Today we're off to Tallinn in Estonia, and we're at Copenhagen Airport, and we'll be flying with Finnair from Copenhagen to Helsinki, where we will be we'll be making a connection to our next flight from Helsinki to Copenhagen. Tallinn. I'm not used to having my parents behind, so I'm not able to talk properly or remember. No, just kidding. But anyway, we're looking forward to flying with my parents to Tallinn, and we'll be there for a short weekend stay. And we're not going to film so much here in the airport now as we usually do. It's just going to be a quick video where we'll also be showing you the connection, as I said. Anyway, we're going to move on. We're going down to Terminal 2, yep. I believe it is.
Yes.
And we'll see you along the way.
Yeah.
It's not a bad view from the window either, as you can see. And we are on board an Airbus A321 with limited legroom. My legs are actually right up in the chair today. Maro, as always. What as always, Maro? She's happy.
Business class.
Business class. While we're on the ground, we can have a quick look at the safety on board card, as we always do. And Maro will proceed to pull out her famous bag, the so-called buff bag, which was used 20 times. Well, we must make the videos a bit different for the viewers. So 20 times she used it.
Whoever believes that.
The story gets better and better. The aircraft is still being refueled. We all got our seatbelts off, and refueling is complete.
Nimeni on Anni ja olen tämän lennon purseri ja yhdessä miehistön kanssa huolehdimme lennon turvallisuudesta ja palvelusta. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and a warm welcome aboard this Finnair and Onboard flight to Helsinki. My name is Anni and I'm the chief purser on this flight, and together with the crew we are here for your safety and comfort. Our captain today is Mrs. Suvi Soini, and the flight time is 1 hour and 25 minutes.
And pushback has begun.
Cabin crew, take your door positions. Cabin crew, arm your doors and cross-check.
Ennen lähtöä haluamme kiinnittää huomioon lennon turvallisuuteen liittyviin asioihin. Istuintaskussa olevassa turvaohjeessa on esitelty samat turva-asiat, jotka kohta esittelemme teille englanniksi. Before takeoff, we would like to talk about safety. We appreciate your full attention, as this aircraft may be different from others you have flown. Your cabin crew has been trained to ensure your safety on board. You must follow crew instructions and all posted and lighted signs in the cabin. In case your electronic device overheats, contact the crew immediately. The safety card in your seat pocket has important information. Please review it before departure.
And off we go. For once it's a good window we got here. Apparently no trip report is a trip report without the trusty Pulsar. So I better give a time check of 5 minutes past 9 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, Fitbit. Maro's trusty Fitbit. It's making its debut lately.
So from 8:40 we should have left. Oh, it's 9:05.
So we're a little bit delayed. It's beautiful flying weather today. Emirates 777. Here we are at the end of the runway. Almost ready to go.
A lot of planes landing.
A lot of planes landing.
Another, you see the lights.
runway, and we are ready to go. And here we go. And of course, Gö and Goge again. Laurel Hardy and in Finnish.
Ohukainen ja Paksukainen.
Okainen and Paksikainen.
Turvavyömerkkivalo on nyt sammutettu, mutta turvavyö on hyvä pitää kiinni, jos avaatte matkatavarahyppyn luukkuja lennon aikana. Olettehan varovaisia, ettei tavaroita pääse.
Now they're arguing. Normally starts about that she wants wine or beer or something like that. It's not going to happen because we're getting lounge in the Helsinki Airport. Are we agreeing?
Yeah, I was thinking about to have a cup of coffee though.
The safety belt sign has now been switched off, but we recommend that you keep it.
You're not going to be seeing as many scenes as you normally see on these trip reports. The lavatory tour is not going to be included. Remember, we do have down there in that corner, we do have our Instagrams. You can all follow us on also. We've got Copenhagen in Focus and Traveller YT1, the name of this channel, or Traveller YT, the name of this channel. But yeah, enjoy your flight with us, and yeah, see you whenever we see you. Shall we wink out instead of thumbs up? We'll give them a big wink. Ready? 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Have to be creative these times. It does look like there's Wi-Fi on this flight. Wi-Fi, enable Wi-Fi in flight mode. Select Nordic Sky Network, scan QR code or open Nordic. I'm not sure whether that's free or not. We'll find out just now, but we're just gonna have a look at the tray table here, as we normally do. Little one with 2 cup holders on, as they always are. You can see there's a little stain there from blueberry juice, which is Finnair's signature drink on board for us all. Anyway, let's pack that away.
I noticed that they're not giving the hygiene wipes anymore.
No, there's no hygiene wipes. Corona times are ending.
Yeah,
that's a good thing. Down here I've got my mobile phone on this little net, and I'm still battling with my legs sort of wide open on each side so that I can sit a little bit comfortably. Drinks are being served. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm just getting my also blueberry juice.
Oh, it was warm.
Yeah, there we go. I got the blueberry juice and I already got instructions from Maro. I must drink it in one go so I don't miss. Really nice. Do you want to taste? I like that a lot.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very refreshing. It's nice. Drink the rest. That was good. logged onto the Wi-Fi, the page. The Wi-Fi is not free, but I'll just show it to you. Connect to the internet. You come up to a menu page when you come on. Connect your by internet. Stream 10.95, browse 4.95. Different payment methods. But what I like about this particularly is the fact that we now have our flight map on our phone. Sorry, I'm moving around a bit. At least there was a flight map before. Let's try again. There we have the flight map, and we can see exactly where we are. We just left Copenhagen, as you can see, and we are on the way to, of course, Helsinki. See, the onboard menu is also there. You can see what's for sale. Very nice to see that we've gone that way. Drinks. It's a nice system, Maro.
Yeah.
Very good. I like that. Very clever. This day and age, this should have happened ages ago. Let's zoom in a little bit more. You also get an idea of the prices. These blueberry juices were so good that we both decided to have another one each.
Yeah.
Compliments to Finnair for that.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was that good. I enjoyed it. Very nice. Maro keeps telling me not to mess. As if I'm going to blow blueberry juice all over myself. Always hacking in the back there. But that's why we love her. Enjoyed and finished. What time is it here on the old Trusty Pulsar? 20 to 10 a.m. How far are we on the map? We're flying over. Is it Gotland, Maro?
Yeah.
Just about to fly over Gotland now. Very nice, this map on the phone. I was always missing that on these Airbus A320s. And there you have it down there. Gotland, which is an island. Is that Pippi Longström Island?
It is, and it's beautiful. I definitely want to visit there.
Does Pippi Longström live there?
Yeah, that was where it was filmed.
Ah. Maro actually managed to find the physical menu. She's going through the prices also there. I like the new one. It actually downloads as a PDF file on the phone, so one always has it. The prices, as always, it's not only for Finnair, it's all the airlines. They're pretty pricey.
Riippuen matkakohteestanne, teidän pitää mahdollisesti kulkea passintarkastuksen kautta. This is information for our connecting passengers. If your baggage has been checked through to your final destination, it will be automatically transferred to your next flight. You can go directly to your departure gate. Depending on your destination, you might need to proceed through passport control. If you have a biometric passport, please use the automated border control gates. For updated information on departures, please use your own mobile device to connect to the onboard Nordic Sky Wi-Fi and use the Finnair app or browse to wifi.finnair.com. For passengers staying in Helsinki, we advise you to follow the signs to the baggage claim area.
I just figured out that the flight information is there also. You just press that arrow. Time to destination, or time at destination now 10:55. Local time on arrival 11:27. And the temperature is 2 degrees C and 31 minutes left to go. Feeling a few bumps here and there, nothing major turbulence-wise today. Okay, I'm getting more and more knowledge here as we're sitting. Now that it turns out that this also has games and duty-free pre-orders. So there's a games there, aviation game. Newspapers and magazines are also available. Audio books about Finnair Plus. So you even have some audio books to read if you want to do that. You can also see if you have a connection flight, you can see which gate it is and how long time it is between flights. In our case, we're going to Tallinn. Our gate is 15 and it's a 2-hour, 22-minute wait. See, there's a lot of snow down there on the islands. I can feel that we're already descending. A little pop in the ears. Engines are slowed down a bit.
Matkan ja nyt jo jätimme matkalentokorkeudenkin ja laitamme lähestymiskivun kohti Helsinki Vantaata. Sunny afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, your captain Subison is speaking. The other pilot today is Mr. Janne Rantanen. We all ready and lift our cruising altitude and standard approach climb towards Helsinki Vantaa Airport. Unfortunately, we were a bit late in departure today because we departed from Helsinki late due to missing connecting passengers. But we catched some units during the turnaround in Copenhagen, and now it seems that we are landing at 25 past.
We'll be arriving at Helsinki and then we'll take another flight over there to Tallinn. I can see that I also forgot to mention the device holder, which is here, and the flap up here, it holds your tablet up. If you have a tablet, you watch all your own downloaded movies very comfortably. Down below you start to see the archipelago, or maybe not. I can see the shots pretty blurry, but there's one of the bigger islands. See, it's got some snow covering it. Seatbelt sign just went on.
Laskeudumme hetken. Pyydämme teitä nostamaan istuimenne selkänojan pystyvasentoon. We will shortly land. Please make sure your seat back is in the upright position, your tray table is stowed, the armrests are down, and the window shades are up.
I just announced that when we land, we'll be disembarking row by row for safety. There is, of course, still a pandemic here in the world. Here we are approaching Maro's homeland.
More snow here.
A lot more snow here, that's for sure. Very nice weather for a landing. Is that Kivenlahti? Is that where we live?
That's Kivenlahti Tower.
Yeah, so that's where we lived,
Yes.
over the other tower.
Exactly.
Yeah. That's where Maro and I used to live. Right over there, and somewhere over there, under the wing, there's some towers there. That is our old power station there.
Yeah.
Old boat harbour. I better put the camera straight. Just felt the landing gear go down. Yeah. Slight turbulence. So approaching Helsinki Vantaa Airport. It's a beautiful day here in Helsinki. It is a Friday, so it's a work day for everybody. So here we come. Touchdown. That was nice and smooth. And there we go, we are here. Maro's, of course, in our hometown, just for a very short visit before we continue on to Tallinn.
Hyvät matkustajat, tervetuloa Helsinkiin. Pyydämme teitä vielä istumaan paikallanne turvavyö kiinnitettynä, kunnes turvavyön merkkivalo sammuu. Ja olettehan varovaisia avatessanne matkatavarahyllyjen luukkoja, ettei tavaroita putoa. Ja toivotamme teille kaikille oikein mukavaa päivänjatkoa sekä hyvää viikonloppua. Bästa passagerare, välkomna till Helsingfors. Vänligen sitt kvar på era platser med säkerhetsbältet fastspänt tills skylten för säkerhetsbältet har släckts. Och var försiktiga när ni öppnar bagageluckorna så att ingenting faller ut. Det är nu tillåtet att använda mobilapparater i normalläge. Hela besättningen, Finnair och Onboard hoppas att ni har trivits ombord på det här flyget. Tack och välkomna åter. Och vi önskar er alla en god fortsättning på dagen och trevligt veckoslut.
Here we are arriving at gate 22. What was a gate for Tallinn?
Seated and keep your safety belt fastened until the safety belt sign has been
so very
switched
close.
off. we ask you to open the overhead lockers carefully to prevent items from falling out. The use of handheld devices is now allowed in normal mode. Our crew, Finnair and Onboard, hope that you have enjoyed this flight. Thank you, goodbye, and we look forward to seeing you on board Finnair again soon. And we would like to wish you all a very nice day and a pleasant weekend.
Cabin crew, prepare for catering.
So we'll end off the video here. We'll probably continue walking through. We are going to do a connection flight transfer video. Either way,
Cabin crew,
hope you
take your
enjoyed this
positions.
video, and if you did, please do leave a like down below, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And off we go. Kiitos. Bye bye. And down we go. Maro's leading the way. Down we go. Kiitos. Hey.
That was quite a big business class.
Yeah, very nice. Kiitos. Bye bye. And up we go. Now we're off to our connection flight here at Helsinki Vantaa Airport. It's not a very far walk. What gate number was it, Maro?
15.
As you all know, I keep forgetting the gates. Maro, she keeps the facts.